What's up, family? Welcome back. So Focused Marketing and Promotions Tech and Lifestyle Channel. I'm your host, Mr. I'm So Focused. All right, we going right in with this video. DJI Spark. I know it's a little loud, but we're gonna get right into this video real quick. All right. I got it flying in the crib right now, just to show y'all it's up and running. This is no flukes, none of that. All right. Like, comment, subscribe. Make sure you do that right now. I'm gonna give y'all some shots real quick. It's up in the air. It's stable as hell. I'm gonna give y'all some shots. Check that out. All right. The DJI Spark. These are shots that you probably not gonna see. You know, up in the air. You see that? The DJI Spark. Nice small camera, ready to go, up and running, fully functioning. All right, I got a little portable case down here right now. I'm gonna show y'all what's in the box. All right, so we're gonna check it out real quick. I'm in the crib right now. I'm just testing it out. I want to show y'all what's going on. All right, let me get the controller real quick so I can move it around. But y'all see it. Look at that, stable. Let me get my phone real quick so I can move it around. All right. Stable as hell. You can't beat that. Nice, stable. Good to go. Bring my phone. Hold it. Like face there. Face. I'm gonna move it around for y'all real quick. So closer. All right, y'all see it moving back and forth. Nice camera. I got it on my iPhone real quick to control. All right. It also comes with a controller. Open it up. You put your phone in there. All right, I know it's a little loud, but y'all get the message. Now I'm gonna land it. I'm gonna land it for y'all real quick. We're running out of battery. I'm gonna land it. All right, so we're gonna get back into the video real quick. I just wanted to start up the video showing y'all that it worked. Now we're gonna get into, everything that I got. Everything that I got with it. So I got a little combo pack going. I got the combo pack going. I want to show y'all what's in the combo pack. So this is what's in the combo pack. I know this is a little unorthodox video, but it is what it is. All right, so I got 3 batteries. Each battery lasts about 20 minutes each. You got your power indicators, 100%. So you got 25, 50, 75, 100. You just press the button on top, shows you what you got. Got 3 batteries. I got some filters. You put these on your camera face so you can get better shots. Plus the case itself, nice and portable. I got some the barriers. Just in case you hit any obstacles, any trees or anything, it won't mess up your propellers. So I got some extra propellers right here. Got like 4 of them. Always carry these around when you flying. There's one more in here. So I got 4 of them. All right. So the main thing I just wanted to show y'all already was that the drone is up and running, fully functional. This is the cord that you got to hook up to your controller. You put your phone in there like this. I'm gonna show y'all real quick. Just like that. This is the app, DJI app. You click it.
Critically low battery.
It goes right into that. All right, battery's running low, so it is what it is. So you got your joysticks. You got your record button, your sport mode. Take a picture right there. You got your camera. You move your camera up and down, and you got your record button to take still shots and all of that stuff. This is the still shots. This is a record button to start recording. All right. And you got your function button. So you got all of that. Everything fits nice and snug right back into the case. Just like that. You got all your propeller guards. You got your batteries. I got another exposure kit. All right. And you just have your everything inside the case, just like that. Then you got the unit itself again right here. Oh, I got more stickers, by the way, if you're interested. $5 on the stickers. All right. Trust God, love family, stay focused. But we talking about the DJI Spark right now. Nice portable camera. Everything works on it. Let me show y'all around it real quick. That's the battery. I got 25% battery life. This is your power button. Turn it off. Turn it back on. Press it one time, then you hold it. You hear the fans running. You take out this little flap right here. That's where your micro SD card goes and where you charge it at. All right. On the bottom, that's your battery. It's reading all the GPS signals right now. Right there, you got your gimbal. You see the gimbal moving. Looking for signal. Got your propellers. Fits right in the palm of my hand. All right. DJI. So that's what we got right there, the DJI Spark. You could pick one up online, pick one up, eBay, 300 and up. It is what it is. Use your resources. Use your resources. And you get one. Nice camera, portable, good to go. I ain't want to hold y'all too long. It's a nice short video, but I wanted to open up the video showing that it's fully fully functioning, ready to go. Videos are sharp as hell. Can't go wrong with this, you know? I use my my little iPhone here that I keep on deck, just for my, my flying. And that's what I use that iPhone for. No videos, no phone calls, no nothing like that. I just use it for videos real quick. Live and direct, straight from the crib. Showed y'all that it was running. Showed y'all all of that. Nice short video. I'm gonna need y'all to like, comment, and subscribe. I'm trying to get to 500 subscribers by the end of the year. Let's get this video right here to, let's say, 100 views. 100 views, 100 likes. Let's get to it. You know what I'm saying? 100 views, 100 likes, 100 subscribers. Like, comment, and subscribe. Click the thumbs up button to get the notifications out. Stay tuned to the channel. I got a lot of stuff coming. Got some surprises on the way. Y'all gonna like what's going on. All right? So just stay tuned to the channel. I know this was a kind of unorthodox video. Not like my, my regular videos where I'm staying still on the table, this and all of that. I just wanted to show y'all that the drone was up and running. I don't play games with my drones, If you got a drone, fly your drone. All right? Don't just have it sitting in the corner collecting dust. You paid a lot of money for it. Fly your drones. All right? Very fun activity. Very fun getting all that footage and playing it back. Get to practice on it. Get to learn the control functions. Get all of that. All of that experience that you get on the drone, the better you're going to get. Take it out. Take it out, as far as it can go. All I say is know how much battery life you got before you take off and calibrate your drones. I always say that. If you don't calibrate it, once you push that return to home button, it ain't coming back. You're going to lose it somewhere. So calibrate your drones before you take off. That's the most important thing. If not, you're going to lose it. It's going to be how much ever you spend for that drone, you might as well just throw that out the window because it's going to end up in a tree somewhere or in the water. All right? Calibrate your drones. Calibrate your drones. Make sure when you press that return to home button that it's coming back to the vicinity where you took off at. All right? This is the DJI Spark. Yeah, it's another drone. Yeah, check out my videos on my other drones that I did on my channel. I love these things, and I'm gonna be integrating this into my videos. All right, got some surprises coming, like I said, but it is what it is, man. I go off the top with this. Ain't nothing structured here. No B-rolls, no editing, no crazy, footage like that. I just go straight off the top with it. I hope y'all liking the content. There's a lot more coming, and just stay tuned. Like, comment, and subscribe. Hit the thumbs up button. If you ain't gonna do none of that, just sit back and be entertained. It is what it is. You got this far in the video, you must be liking something. We 13 minutes in, little light footage. Showed y'all the drone was working. Showed y'all the controls. Showed y'all everything was going on. Portable. This thing is awesome. Shoots excellent video. I'm not gonna bore y'all with the specs because most people getting this thing don't even care about the specs. Let's just be real about it. People just get in the drone. They want to, go up in the air with it, shoot some live videos. It is what it is. Let's keep it real. All right? DJI Spark, combo pack, 3 batteries, propeller guards, filters, and a hard carrying case. All right? Check it out. Go get you one, use your resources and find one at a good price. You want to spend top dollar, you want to spend bottom dollar, it's your money. Do whatever you want to do with it. All right? Like I say at the end of every video, 3 things in life you got to remember. Trust God, love family, and stay focused. Until the next video, stay focused, y'all.